Hello friends, welcome back to another Camp Nou construction update. Today we're taking you inside the latest progress at Spotify Camp Nou. From goal nord corner anchors now installed, to glass panels in the Tribune almost complete, and radial beams ready for the future roof, everything is moving forward day by day. Stick around to see every key detail of the stadium's transformation as it moves toward its stunning new look. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to catch today's amazing updates. We bring you the latest daily news from Camp Nou. Over at the Tribune corner, upper-level glass panels are staged and ready to be fixed into position. The slat support connections are already installed, and additional materials have arrived on site. The standout moment is the tower crane lifting prefabricated third-tier seating modules into place. Only a few sections remain in this corner, meaning completion of this part of the third ring is now very close, pushing the stadium one step nearer to its full structural form. In the diamond zone near the store facade, workers are fastening metal connectors between glass panels and aligning the upper sections that were previously unfinished. The remaining glass panels are already prepared, and with only a few pieces missing above the entrance doors, this facade is approaching full completion. Once installed, the glass frontage will look structurally unified and finished. At Goal Sur, crews are applying material along the large black truss beams behind the slat supports, likely reinforcing or sealing the structure before facade installation progresses. Concrete operations continue nearby with a pump truck supporting works in another section of the stadium. Workers are also refining beam connections, adjusting and cleaning excess concrete between structural elements to ensure proper load-bearing alignment. Overall, Tribune and Goal Sur are clearly moving deeper into the enclosure and finishing stages. At the lateral side of Spotify, Camp Nou progress is visible. Two massive radial beams arrived last week. One here, one in Goal Nord, ready to form the future compression ring. This ring will support the roof, and once complete, it will give the stadium its iconic look. Concrete pump trucks remain in position, showing ongoing reinforcement and slab work, keeping the structure prepared for the next lift. On the upper cantilever, crews are positioning components and refining mesh and concrete. Radial beams on the ground show the next lift is planned. Day by day, this work moves the structure closer to completion, shaping the future roof. Along the lateral facade, the crane is ready for llama's installation. Corner anchors are already in place, meaning slat placement will begin very soon. Each anchor and slat pushes the stadium closer to its sleek, modern final look. Temporary protective railings are installed around exposed zones, while elevated platforms stay active across levels. Day by day, Spotify Camp Nou is moving toward a fully transformed, stunning stadium. Here in the Goal Nord corner, the intensity is clear. Concrete is actively being broken with hydraulic hammers, showing that structural ground adjustments are underway. The future elevator structures are now in advanced stages. Steel beams are being painted for protection, and the glass panels in this section are fully installed and carefully covered to avoid damage. The most important breakthrough is that the long-awaited anchor points for the facade slats have finally been installed on the left side. It's clear the next move will continue this facade progression. In the Tribune sector, installation of sandwich panels is moving forward on the steel framework, while additional panels and prefabricated seating units have just been delivered and positioned on site. Concrete facade panels are already secured on the far structure, showing clear enclosure progress. At the same time, elevated platforms are active inside the scaffolding. On the right side, several elevated platforms are lifting and fixing structural components into place. Higher up, visible sparks indicate active welding or fastening works. Even areas that were previously quiet are now active, showing that installation is expanding across multiple upper levels. If you're enjoying this update, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications for daily exclusive Camp Nou construction updates.